In this video, I'm going to be showing you how to make a private call on Android. So to do this, you first want to make your phone number private. So go into your settings and go back. And what you want to do is go to connections. And then you want to go to SIM manager. And let me see, more SIM settings. Okay, no, that's not it. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to go to the search bar and I'm going to type private caller ID is what it is. Caller information, call settings. You want to tap on caller ID and spam protection, and then you want to go ahead and basically other call settings, hard contacts without number swap. Okay, you want to disable that caller ID and spam protection, then you can go ahead and make a phone call and it will be a private call. If this helped you out, drop a like on the video and subscribe to this channel.